Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to factory reset PlayStation 5 controller. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To factory reset a PlayStation 5 controller, you can follow these steps. Firstly, ensure your PS5 console is turned off completely. On the back of the PS5 controller, near the L2 button, you'll find a small hole. Insert a small, unfolded paper clip or a similar tool into the reset hole. Press and hold the reset button for about 5 to 10 seconds. You should feel a slight resistance. After holding the reset button for the specified time, you have to release it. Once the reset is complete, connect the controller to your PS5 using a USB cable and press the PS5 button to pair it. Additional notes: purpose of reset. Factory resetting the controller resolves various issues such as connectivity problems, input lag, or other performance issues. Settings reset. This process resets the controller to its default factory settings, removing any custom configurations you might have set. By performing these steps, you can effectively factory reset your PlayStation 5 controller, restoring it to its original state. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.